silent film entitled Damon and Pythias to what we have in theaters right now that include F9 starring Vin Diesel. And you know, the studio was founded in 1915 by a man named Carl Lumbly. Carl Lumbly wanted to make movies that would make you laugh or cry or sit on the edge of your seat. And for over 100 years, we've been doing just that. We've made thousands of movies and television shows on this lot. We are the biggest and busiest and oldest movie and television studio in Hollywood. We're a city, too. We have used for Superstore, starring Ben Feldman.
I know it's hot in here, but let's have some patience for one another.
Yeah, you know, the heat makes us all act.
If your face stays where it is, it's gonna get punished.
Well, wait a minute. We also have game shows that have taped on our lot over the years, such as Hollywood Game Night, hosted by Jane Lynch.
Whose name is worth more in Scrabble tiles? Uzo Aduba or David Oyelowo?
16 to film Saved by the Bell. Also on your left are the dressing rooms, these portable dressing rooms, these trailers here. We got the wardrobe trailers, we got, hey, who's that? Take pictures. All these production vehicles are used for the television show Saved by the Bell. Now this is a fraction of what goes into making a motion picture. So we employ a lot of people on these television shows and motion pictures. We're going to take you into what we call Sitcom Alley, because it's an alley that is comprised of sound stages on your right that were used primarily for situation comedies for years, such as The Jeffersons, The Facts of Life, Different Strokes, Different World. Mark, take a look as we delve deeper into our television history. You can see we got our set pieces here that are being prepared to be moved into the sound stages for interior production. And coming up on your left is a big movie star. Have your cameras ready. He's the biggest star in Hollywood. It's Ted. Looks like Ted has a dry martini in his hand. Ted is standing in front of a series of tent bungalows that were once permanent dressing rooms for movie stars such as Doris Day, Rock Hudson, Jimmy Stewart. Today they are production offices occupied by the likes of Mark Platt. Mark Platt writes the hit music Wicked. Also we got Dwayne Johnson on the lot. He's moved into one of these bungalows for this production company for his new television series, Young Rock. They're coming back for his second season. And coming up on your left is Bungalow 5195. It has the Alfred Hitchcock logo out front. It was Alfred Hitchcock's production office for the Alfred Hitchcock Presents television series. Alfred Hitchcock made quite an impact on facades, just to false fronts and signs of buildings. Building the camera needs to see. We're going to leave the big city now and take you to a remote island known as Skull Island. Here's Academy Award-winning director Peter Jackson to guide us.
It's the original King Kong that movie is on, and I wanted to become a filmmaker. I like films that just take you away from your real life and sweep you up into adventure. Kong literally does that. I mean, you're on board the ship, you're sailing to a lost island.
Hey, you guys look nervous. Don't worry, Tommy and I have been to Skull Island before, and if you stick to the rules, we'll get through this safely. Please put on your mask, please remain seated, and please keep your hands and feet inside of the tram at all times. And hang on to your personal belongings like your cell phones and your magic wands. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Skull Island.
Okay, glasses on, everybody. We're back in Skull Island.
That's crazy.
Oh man, the paradise!
Ladies and gentlemen, King Kong 363D.